Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning podcast.
Hi, friends. We are happy to learn English with you today.
Today's topic is going to work in English.
Yes, we will practice easy, real English for daily life.
This lesson is great for beginners, A1 to A2.
Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.
Let's start. Mike, what does going to work mean?
Good question. Going to work means leaving home and traveling to your job.
Yes. For example, we wake up, get ready, and go to work.
Many people go to work in the morning.
They go by bus, car, bike, or walk.
Great! This is real English in daily life.
Now, let's learn some easy words. Please repeat after me.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Take the bus.
Take the bus. Great job. Now, let's use these words in easy sentences.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get dressed and have breakfast.
My quick breakfast is a banana and coffee.
Nice. My quick breakfast is bread and milk.
Then I go to work.
I take the bus to work.
Great job. Very clear and easy English.
Now let's listen to a real English conversation.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Mike. What time do you wake up?
Hi, Emma. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I eat eggs and drink tea.
Nice. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. What about you?
I walk to work. My office is near my home.
That's great. Walking is healthy.
Yes, it's easy and free. Now, let's practice easy sentence patterns.
You can say, I wake up at blank o'clock.
For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Now you try.
Great job.
Next pattern. I go to work by blank.
For example, I go to work by bus.
You can also say car, bike, or walk.
Excellent. Keep practicing. Here are some real daily life examples.
I wake up at 7. I get dressed. I eat breakfast.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Then I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Very simple, very useful.
You are doing great.
Good job. Your English is getting better every day.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Practice a little every day.
Slow and easy is perfect.
Let's review today's lesson.
We learned going to work in English.
We practiced wake up, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work.
And take the bus, walk, drive a car.
You did amazing. Great job.
Now, here is our community question.
Both say, how do you go to work every day?
Write your answer in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us.
See you next time. Bye-bye.